So what's my day like? I purposely made the application review a larger font because that is most of what we do. We review the applications, but there's other components of what we do. I may review claims. If a person dies within 2 years of the policy being placed, those policies are reviewed. The person reviewing them may have some questions. Did the underwriter miss something? Was the person dishonest with us? And I may be asked to comment on that. We get involved in projects. Companies right now are really pushing automated programs to increase underwriter efficiency. Underwriters get a lot of information. For medical, they may get 5 years of prescription data. They may get 5 years of lab tests. They get all these different medical records. A lot of this, the companies are trying to automate. So I am involved in projects where I can automate the prescription database, where I only flag certain prescriptions that need to be reviewed. If there's nothing significant on the prescription database, the program says that does not need to go to the underwriter, that can be approved. So these are automated programs that are being developed. There's also guidelines for the underwriters to use to assess people's medical history. What is the risk of these different, I'll say, impairments? We call diseases, syndromes, cancers, all those things we call impairments. And so what are the impairments? Have there been improvements in medicine recently that make the impairment less significant as far as mortality? And then education.